You've just brought home your very first bonsai. It's adorable. It's majestic. It's slowly dying in your living room. Welcome to the surprisingly tricky world of indoor versus outdoor bonsai, where a tree in the wrong place is basically on vacation in the wrong climate. With no sunscreen or suitcase, this channel's slowly turning into a little bonsai garden of its own. If you want to help shape it, the subscribe button's just over there to become part of the Bonsai Barn family. Here's the deal. Indoor bonsais sound convenient, right? Apartment life, no garden, maybe a nosy neighbor named Janet who thinks your balcony is a shared space. Cool. Go with indoor-friendly species like Ficus or Jade. They love steady warmth, don't freak out if you forget one watering, and can actually survive without a cold winter nap. But don't plop them in a dark corner and expect miracles. These trees aren't vampires. They need light, bright, indirect, or direct depending on the species, and humidity. Your central heating is basically a slow roast oven, and your bonsai didn't ask to be part of the stew. Next week, I'm diving into the fertilizer side of things, so if you want to see those results, hit that button. Now, outdoor bonsai? Totally different vibe. These trees want to feel the wind, the rain, the seasonal drama. Pines, junipers, maples, they thrive when exposed to the elements like little leaf-cloaked warriors. But here's the twist. Put an outdoor bonsai inside, and it's like sending a lumberjack to a yoga retreat. He's going to get twitchy. Same with your tree. No dormancy equals no reset, equals eventual slow fade. Now ask yourself the big question. Where will your bonsai actually live? Not where it looks prettiest. Where it will get the conditions it needs. Because bonsai don't bend to our lives, we adapt to theirs. Radical opinion time. Should bonsai even be grown indoors at all? Or are we just stubbornly trying to keep them as leafy roommates? Tell me in the comments. I promise not to call the bonsai police. Look, there's no perfect setup, but there is a better question. Can you give this tree a stable home, even if that means a grow light, a humidity tray, or tucking it under a cold frame in winter? If the answer's yes, you're already on the right path. Start where you are. Adapt as you grow. You're not just raising a tree, you're reshaping your environment, one little pot at a time. If you've stuck around this long, we're a fan of yours too. We're sending you 2 Good Vibe Bonsai Barn bonus points that your trees will soak up and turn into pure awesomeness. See you next time.